Frank here today to install wind deflectors. We're going to be doing it on a 2003 Chevy Trailblazer. The process is going to be similar for most vehicles. There are different types. I have the WeatherTech ones on my car. Those you have to kind of bend a bit. These ones here seem like they just kind of slide right in, at least according to the instructions. So these here are the AVS. We have the driver's side, both windows, and passenger side, both windows. The back ones aren't fitting properly, so we're just going to do the front today. So why would you put something like this on your car? Well, it's nice for a rainy day to get some airflow in there, or if you park your car, let's say you spilled some gas or you're a smoker, just to air it out a little bit. It's always nice to have just a little bit more airflow into your car without getting soaking wet if it is raining. So also to help air it out, leave your windows cracked a little bit, not down past this. The downside to that is in winter, if you leave it so much, is last winter I left it about a ½ an inch. Came back to my car, filled with snow up to the seat. So don't do that in winter. So step one is going to be taking the alcohol prep pad, opening it up. These ones are very tiny, as you can see. And just going to take it and go up inside the window channel, right in here. You're not going all the way inside, just pull this back a little bit. And make sure, just try to get it as clean as you can. It might be a little more helpful to take something like a screwdriver or something and shove it up in there, or maybe like a pen or pencil or something, but for right now, this works. Go ahead and clean it like that. Just as a side note, something like this, at least mine cost, I think, 75 bucks. I only got the front two ones. This one here is Jim's. He paid, about the same, and he got the 4-piece. There are two types, in channel and out channel. Out channel has the adhesive so that you just kind of smack it on the outside, but it's a lot less stable. The in channel ones are nicer because they just fit a lot more nicely. You don't have to worry about it falling out if you hit a bump or something like that. So step one was to clean it with the alcohol pad. Step two is just going to be to remove the red adhesive around here. Just do both edges here and here. The packaging already took that one off. And you just peel this here back. It says about 2 inches. Okay, so you peel that back just a little bit. Do the same for this side. There we go. So now it's pretty much ready to just be popped up in there. Remove the tape. You just take it like this. I'm going to put this front side, align that first, then align the back. Go like that, and just pop it on up in there. Go ahead and just pull the red adhesive off right there, or red tape off to expose the adhesive. So it seems like it's in there okay, but what you want to do is you want to roll up the window and let it set for about 24 hours to really make sure it's in there. I mean, right now it doesn't seem like it's going anywhere, but just to be safe, follow the proper instructions. You also go up here, just use your fingers to kind of push that adhesive, which you noticed was on the outside of the visor, goes to the inside of the door jamb, the window channel.
Be able to roll it up with you.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about that. Okay, trying to get in the car. Roll the window up. Listen. Seems like it's pretty securely in place. So go ahead, give it a little jiggle. That's not going anywhere. So this here is pretty much the same process to do the back side, or to do the passenger side. To do the backs, once again, the ones in this kit didn't actually fit this vehicle, so sorry, but we can't do that. So follow the exact same thing step by step for the other side. You can see on this side, it's just as secure, following the same process. So this should be ready. Like they say, about 24 hours. I don't know if you have to let it sit for a full day, but at least let it sit for a couple hours, just to make sure it's not going to fall off. And well, thank you for watching. That's how you do that. And if we ever get the back ones, we'll be filming that too.